Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1012 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, you have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, do not disturb and makeup room switches, as well as your various light switches. Here we have the bathroom. In the middle is a mirror, hello, with the sink, all the bathroom amenities, towels, the bathtub. Here we have the toilet, and here we have the shower area with the dual rain and handheld shower setups. Opposite the bathroom, we have the wardrobe area. Right here, drawers, in-room safe, storage. Right here we have the ironing board, iron, torchlight, storage above, hangers, bathrobes, and in-room zippers. Here we have the fridge, all the tea, coffee making stuff with mugs, cups, kettles, power outlet, light switch, bottles of water, glasses, and mirrors. Hello. Here we have the climate control panel with a power outlet below. On the left bedside table, we have storage, a power outlet, light switches, and a light right above. And on the right bedside table, it's the same thing, just that this side has the in-room telephone as well. Obviously, the bed is in the middle, and the bed is very comfortable. Opposite the bed, we have storage area with a flat screen sharp TV, place to put your luggage, storage below. Here we have the desk area with a chair, a light, another mirror, and power outlets. Right here is a table with a sofa-like thing. And the view that I get out of the window is of the hotel's swimming pool below. You can see other parts of the hotel, as well as sort of like this greenery area that is in front of the hotel. You can also see the SKVE highway right there, and the road that is leading up to the slip road that is leading up to the hotel. And you can see KL in the distance with the new TRX and Merdeka 101 towers. And I think you can see the Twin Towers and KL Tower as well if you look close enough. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1012 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.